Arsenal 0, Liverpool 2. We're out the cup.
Again.
The process has banged. The process is coming to fruition. We're in phase 4. Ian Wright told us. Charles Watts told us. Super mutants everywhere. Oh, we fixed the squad. Smash the likes. Sub to Arsenal history and more. Link in the title. And yeah. If you don't like the player ratings, cry. We do not care. We speak it as it is. And we are back again tomorrow on the Real Talk podcast. And yes, I am tipsy and I don't care. Make sure you sub to me as well. Lee reacts as well. We're going to watch Wigan versus United, who isn't equally as buried as Arsenal. But either way, Jez, another shocker, another cup we're out. Give us a little breakdown before we get into these ratings, mate.
Shocking. Absolute disgrace. Arteta, get out of my club now. You are going to take us absolutely bloody nowhere. And it's an embarrassment to our football club. That badge behind me is Arsenal, right? And you need to recognise some respect for this bloody club, Arteta, because you are an absolute shit show embarrassment to me, thousands and thousands of fans. Yeah, you need to go, fella, because you are going to take us nowhere. And I've had enough. Fed up with it. I am so angry tonight, Lee. And, man, seriously. I don't know. I'm that angry, Lee. I'm that angry. I don't know what to say. I really don't know. Because
mate, I'm the same. I'm shaking with anger, Jez. As soon as that first goal went in, I said, game ends 2-0. Oh, it ends 2-0. Almost like we've seen it before. But don't worry. Your apologies can be as loud as your disrespect. Anyway, Ramsdale, I actually thought he played all right. Yeah. But either way, why is he so cocky, Jez? Makes a save and sticking his tongue out and laughing. Either way, he did make some good saves tonight. What'd you rate him?
Well, the only player that really did anything, to be fair. I'll give him a 6. I don't like his cockiness. But is that sending a message, Lee? Excuse me. Is that sending a message to the rest of the team to say, up you?
Maybe to the manager.
That's what I meant, actually. Sorry.
Yeah, maybe to the manager. Maybe. Yeah, maybe. Let's go to Kivior. What an own goal, mate. Well done. You played so well against Fulham. You got hooked at half time. Have another go against a better team. Great own goal. Alan Shearer will be proud, mate.
Class. Yeah, absolute class shit. 2, rubbish.
Benjamin White.
Poor, very poor. Didn't overlap enough. Didn't support. Is this the new Arteta tactic? You don't support. Yeah. Man, I'm fed up with it. Awful. 3.
Bozo Gene. Gabriel Magalhaes.
Yeah.
Less bozo moments than his partner, but we'll come to him in a minute.
Poor. 3. Shocking. Poor.
The Mbappe of centre-backs, Jez. Shocking.
Yeah. Rubbish. Absolute sorry, mate, today, Saliba. You were absolute dog crap. 2.
Jorginho.
Waste of time. What did he do? What did he do? Tell me anything. And somebody, please, dear God, in this world, tell me what that guy did. He did nothing. He was like, honestly, man, seriously, man, you're getting a 1.
Yeah, he was awful. Let's go to his partner in crime, £100 million man. He gets stuck in. He's the best DM in the world.
Yeah.
Cool. Yeah, maybe, just maybe. Yeah, maybe, just maybe. Yeah. The players he's playing with have been trash, and he's looked better than he is.
Yeah, right. Sorry, mate. I think I feel sorry for you. You've come to this football club with great expectations, and it hasn't worked because you're playing with a shit midfield. And I feel desperate for you because you are a quality bloody player.
Yeah.
But unfortunately, you've got dross around you, and when you play with crap, what can you get out of them? Nothing. I'm sorry, mate. I'm not going to disrespect you. I will give you a 5 because at least you tried. You had some heart. And that's all I can give more than that, man, because the rest of them was shit.
Yep. Let's go to Hair Flick.
Oh, yeah.
Listen very carefully. I should say this only once.
Rubbish, man.
You know, by the way.
Rubbish, man. Rubbish. I have to question this. 6th minute. I made a note of this. Right, 6th minute of the game. He had the clear opportunity to shoot. He didn't. He passed it out. Yeah, to the left wing. Excuse me. Sorry, captain. You take the opportunity to shoot a clear shot on bloody goal, and you had a clear shot on goal, and you passed it out to the sodding left. Well, really, that's how the class you are. Shit, man, you're shit too.
Bukayo Saka, star boy, Jez.
Oh man, rubbish today. Absolute rubbish, man. Rubbish. 1. You're lucky to get a 1. That's the only reason I'm giving you a 1 is you managed to actually lace your boots up when your laces come undone. You were absolutely bloody awful. And I have to say this, Lee, I think there's certain players, and I'm putting this out there right now, making a statement. I think certain players are fed up with Arteta.
I agree. I totally agree. Totally agree, mate. Let's go to Reece Nelson, hooked off. Not sure why, but there you go. What do you make of him?
Well, he's the only player trying to make a difference. Didn't have the opportunities. He wasn't getting the feeds that he should have got. And couldn't do anything, could he really? Couldn't penetrate. He had an opportunity right in the 2nd minute. Had a, okay, it's near impossible shot. Fair play to him. I will give him a 4 because at least he tried. But there we go. There you
are. Let's go to we've unlocked him. He was misunderstood at Chelsea.
Yeah. Really,
good one.
Absolute dross. Did nothing. The guy, man, he's for a big guy. He can't direct a header on bleeding goal. He had 2 headers there. He can't direct a bloody header when you're 6 foot. What is he? 6'3"?
6'4".
6'4". Okay, I mean he's short. Fair play, but I'm sorry, man. Rubbish too.
Let's go to our substitutes. So predictable. Martinelli.
Yeah, Martinelli 4. Rubbish. Did nothing.
Let's go to the King of Zamunda, Eddie Murphy.
Was he on? Did he actually do anything? I don't remember. I don't remember, man. To be honest, too.
It's not good, is it?
No.
It really ain't. It really ain't good, Jez. Yeah. And this is the thing. This fan base are hyped up everyone. The bench is fixed. Cool. Who else do we bring on? Oh, Trossard.
Oh, yeah. Well, why bring him on? Why? What's the point? At that time,
3 minutes to go.
What's the point of that? What is the point? I'm not even going to rate him, man. It's unfair because he had no chance. What can he prove? No, I'm not rating him.
Same as Smith Broden. No point.
No,
you know how this works, people. You know how this works. Smash the like button. Excuse me. Sorry. Sub to Jez, Arsenal History and More. Podcast tomorrow with Kenny and Jez. I'm on with Saeed at midday, UK time. And yeah, I'm doing a Man United watch along on Lee Reacts. We're going to do a 3, 2, 1 countdown, and we're rating the manager. 3, 2, 1.
-1.
Entra en la basura, hijo de puta. This guy has kicked us out of another cup. 4 times since he's won it, Jez. He has put this in the bin.
Yep.
Yeah. Not acceptable.
Not
Not acceptable. I've had enough. How can you lose at home to Liverpool? Mate, they brought on 2 kids.
Lee, they were there for the taking, right? They were a second string setup, and we couldn't get it over the line again. Man, come on. Seriously. It pains me so much. Seriously, man, come on. This manager is an absolute fucking prick arsewite. Seriously, I can't take it anymore with him.
Totally agree. And if you want to cry, we don't care. We're back in 13 days' time.
Jesus Christ. How long have we got?
They can all go on training, Jez.
Seriously, man, it kills me. You know, I'm sorry. You know, dear God.
Yeah, Jez, don't worry, mate. They're all going on warm weather training to Dubai tomorrow. Yeah. Big up my boy. Yeah? Big up my boy, DJ Mocky, resident DJ at White Dubai nightclub. Best DJ voted. Best DJ in Dubai. I swear down, my guy. I swear down, yeah. Any of these idiots turn up in that club, let me know. Yeah, text me, let me know. Yeah, Benny Blanco and that, yeah, cool.
That Salt guy is as well. Is that where the guy, that stupid, expensive, bloody...
Oh, he's everywhere. London, New York, he's everywhere, mate.
Yeah, they'll be all there, fucking wankers.
F them. Make sure you sub to Jez. We're out of here. I'm tipsy. I'm going to bed. Yeah. And tomorrow I'm going to wake up and I'm going to be even more angry because yet again, after seeing this football club win 9 FA Cups, Jez has seen 11. This idiot has thrown 4 in the bin. We're out of here, people. Make sure you sub to Jez. Make sure you smash a like. Make sure you sub to me. Big up to everyone who's watched the fan cams. Jez, myself, Matty, Kenny. And yeah, tune in for the podcast tomorrow. Yeah, 5 p.m. UK time. And trust me, you don't want to miss it, mate. Yeah, because I ain't having it. Adios, amigos. Arteta out.
And Arteta out.